Alright, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screen once again, and in today's video I'm just basically gonna be taking down my twist with you guys. I've got things to do, hence why I've got makeup today. I don't have my lashes on yet because I was like, okay, let me just quickly record this and then I'll go fight with my lashes afterward. But before we get into that, let me first just say what's good, what's popping to the countries that are present, which is South Africa, which I'm representing. Then we've got United States, which, I mean, Jessica Smith is from like the United States, so hi Jessica. And then we've got the United Kingdom. Nobody has said if they're from the United Kingdom. We've got Kenya, and then we've got Nigeria. I've got a couple of followers from there too. All right, cool. Okay, not a couple, because a couple is two. I've got a few followers from those two countries. Okay, now I want to say shout out to the subscribers that are doing the most, and I have got a list here. It's not too long. If you want to see yourself in the list in the next 2 weeks, then just kind of comment and like follow me on my socials, and then I will probably and say something nice in the comment section, because I normally give like, you know, comment of the day kind of thing on my socials, and I kind of tag you, and maybe soon I'll start even doing small prices. Who knows? I don't know. Like, there's lots of things I don't know, but it's just an idea. I mean, I could make it happen, but I don't know. I'll just go with what you do. You know, your actions will show me what I should do next. Okay, the reason for this look, by the way, guys, is for Instagram. I told you I'm gonna be working on it, and I'm working on it. All right, subscribers that are doing the most: Lebu, you know yourself. I feel like y'all know Lebu by now. We've got Jessica Smith, which I just mentioned. We've got Nicole. We've got her hair glory. We've got Amanda. We've got the counseling advocate. I didn't see the counseling advocate in my last video that I posted on Tuesday, so then we've got Buntle. Then we've got Tracy Radebe. Tracy, hi, we could be sisters, ma'am. And then we've got Lady K. Lady K is even like interacting with me on my IG, on my Instagram. So shout out to you. So in my previous video, if you haven't watched it, why are you even watching this one if you haven't watched it? Because you wouldn't know how I achieved this if you don't watch the previous one. So I'm gonna link it up here so that you can catch up, you know, get with the program. All right, so you guys know in my previous video I used these two babies over here, the Afrobotanics Daily Strengthening Leave-In Treatment and their African Triple Butter Super Hair Growth from Afrobotanics. And yeah, if you're still here and you haven't watched that video, don't be asking me questions. Just don't. But let us get right into today's video. I have not moisturized my hair since Tuesday. I am going to do like a close-up just now. I want to just talk to you guys for a second. Oh, CJ, oh my goodness, CJ is gonna kill me. Hi CJ, this is a shout out for you. CJ is a male, obviously you can hear by the name, and he has his notification bell on. Ladies, if your notification bell is on, just know the other gender is winning. Like, what are you doing? Get with the program. All right, my hair has not been moisturized since Tuesday. This is the first time I am undoing my twist, obviously, and I have not moisturized, obviously. Normally what most naturals would do, they would kind of put like oil on their fingers and then like undo the hair. I'm not gonna do that because I'm lazy. Okay, fine, I will do it. Okay, we have the oil. We're gonna put it on our fingers and then we're gonna undo my twists, just so I can qualify to be that like naturalista that actually does things the right way. But we both know ain't nobody got time for that. Nobody got time for oils, okay? But there we go. Here's the oil. Before, you know, people attack me. And ta-da! Do you see the difference the oil does? Oh, there's no difference, but yeah. I think the reason why they actually oh, okay, I still have the ribbon on. So I think the reason why people actually put oil on their fingers is because, I don't know. I actually don't know. To keep the hair from not frizzing. But why am I trying to prevent something I know I'm going to get at the end anyway? Yeah, that's just what my hair does. All right, so that's that, guys. The other thing I wanted to actually talk to you about, guys, is these products that I used on Tuesday. They are amazing. Like, I think the only thing I will never purchase again is the shampoo. But okay, and so far the butter is actually treating my hair quite nice. My hair is not feeling dry at all. However, tonight I am going to be massaging my scalp with my oils, only because that's just the right thing to do for my hair. These twists, remember when I was like to y'all, this butter can actually achieve a lot of twist outs. This is me showing you that you do not need a gel to define your hair. You can just use a normal butter. The Afrobotanics one will work just fine. I don't know, why do people think for you to actually achieve a twist out you need gel? Because you don't. You really don't. You just need to know how to twist your hair the right way, and then you need a good heavy product. Well, depends if you are low porosity or high porosity, but once you know which porosity you are, then just use some whatever butter that you got, and then you should be good to go. But enough blabbering. Let me actually zoom in so you guys can see how my hair is looking, because I'm sure some of you are just like, wow, your hair looks so nice. It does. Let me zoom in. Now that we are up and close and personal, while I undo this, you guys can stare into my hair and ta-da! That's what we're working with. Ooh, look at that. That is cute. Oh, is that a... Oh, okay. But this is how my twists are looking. This is how my twists are looking. This is how my twists are looking. You've got, if you want juicy, healthy, healthy twists, go use the products I used. You know what I mean? Use the I feel like at this point Afrobotanics should just holler at me and be like, hey girl, you are gonna be the face of Afrobotanics, because the way I'm hyping this product, it seems as if somebody's paying me to do it. Yeah, so obviously what you are gonna want to do is don't separate your hair like I am. And what I mean by that is you know, try to do it in sections, but I don't have time for that. Girl, why do I still have bobby pins in my hair? Okay. Sorry. Okay, let me focus. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm going to separate the hair in a second. I just need to take down all of my hair. Okay, let me fast track this, and then I'm going to separate my hair with you guys. All right, cool. Okay, so it takes a lot of fluffing, it takes a lot of art, you know. Having natural hair is art, because you kind of have to shape it and groom it. You guys saw I was using bobby pins to kind of shape my hair and let it fall, if my camera could focus, let it fall like how I want it to fall. And this is how I'm basically going to wear my hair. You can obviously style your hair in any way you would like. If you want some ideas on how to style your hair when it's out like this, then I'll link my video up here somewhere, but I think it's the side, and basically giving you guys suggestions on how to basically style your hair when it's out, right? So for my next video, I'm gonna basically showing you guys how to take care of your hair when it's out like this, and try more hairstyles. In fact, I have Eco Styler and I am in the mood of a bantu knot out because my hair is out. So why not? So I think maybe I will show you guys how to take care of your hair, and if I'm in the mood, I'm kidding, I'm definitely going to show you guys how to do a bantu knot out using a gel. I was just trying to demonstrate with you guys that you don't always have to use gel on your hair. So I've said enough, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye for now.